Welcome to La Quinta Inn and Suites by Wyndham Atlanta South. Newnan. Located just 3 miles from the Male Academy Museum. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and Southern hospitality from the moment you arrive. Relax in our spacious guest rooms featuring premium bedding, a desk, coffee maker, ironing facilities, and flat-screen TVs. Modern amenities ensure your stay is as comfortable as possible. Start each day with our complimentary breakfast. Stay connected with free Wi-Fi and enjoy the convenience of free parking and on-site guest laundry. Maintain your fitness routine in our fully equipped fitness center. Our hotel's prime location offers easy access to Newnan's top attractions, including Dunaway Gardens, World of Coca-Cola, Six Flags Over Georgia, and Centennial Olympic Park. The Atlanta International Airport is just a short drive away. Whether for business or leisure, La Quinta Inn and Suites is your gateway to a memorable stay. Book today. Visit our website linked in the video description below for more details and to reserve your room.